Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I would love you to join our community by subscribing. By clicking on the subscription button, you are not going to miss out on the amazing things I have in stock with you. Today we'll be discussing about the costing of solar panel, or how many solar panel you need to power your house. For us to do that, you need to know the sizes of the solar panel, and knowing the sizes determine the cost. Considering the sizes, you also consider the number of panels that you are going to buy and the equipment you are going to power it with. Right now, because of the changes in the market, we have the ranges of solar panel. First, let me show you the sizes of the solar panel. Here you see with me is 150 watt solar panel. You can see this is 150 watt solar panel. So you can equally look at the playwright. This is the configurations. When you know this, you know after this we also have a higher capacity of this wattage. So when you might have checked the wattage, here is another one. This is 360 watts. This 360 watts, you can equally see it in 24 volts, whereas this is in 12 volts. Then I have another one here, 400 to 380 watts, as you can see, and this is mono. This also is mono. So today we'll be talking about the prices. Their prices differs according to locations and according to the place where you are buying from. It ranges, like the 150 watt we have here, it ranges from, in Nigeria you can budget like 40 to 50,000, 60,000 depending on your location, whereas the 360 or 350 watts you budget like 70 to 100,000 depending on your location. So whenever you are considering the prices of this panel, you should know either the wattage or the composition at which it is made, because solar panel is classified into two, the mono and the polycrystalline. So if you are going for the mono, the price is a bit higher than the poly. So I know you are gaining value on this thing I'm saying. If you will not join our community, simply click on the subscription button as I keep on bringing on the value we share together. Thank you for watching this video. Click the share button and make your comments by liking it. Thank you. See you next time.